Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas candle. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas candle, I'm going to begin right here at the top of my paper. And I'm going to begin by just drawing a little line that's just going to curve out, it's going to come across, and then it's going to curve back in. Next, I'm going to draw a little kind of wavy line that goes all the way across, and I want these little bumps to be a little bit different sizes, so it kind of looks like the wax is melting. Now up here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up. It's going to come over and down for the wick, and I'm just going to color that in. Then starting here, I'm going to make a long line. It's just going to kind of curve up like this. It's going to come to a point, and then we're going to bring it back down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and we'll do the same thing over here on this side. We'll make a little line that comes down. Now, starting here, we're going to add a little bit of holly on here. So to do that, I'm going to make a circle here. Then I'll make another circle up here, kind of hidden behind it, and then one more right over here. Starting here, I'm going to make some little kind of pointed, bumpy little lines that are going to come out. And then I'm going to bring some back. They're going to come to a point, and I'm just going to bring some more pointed ones here. Next, we just want to add a little line down the middle. Starting here, I'm going to add some more little leaves, so we'll make some more little points. And then we'll just bring them back towards the berries, and we'll add a little line down here. Now starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that goes across, and that's going to come up to connect here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes over. It's going to come up, and then back to here to connect. Then right here, I'm going to add a little line that goes down at an angle. It's going to go over and up. Then we're going to add a little line that just goes over, and then it's going to curve up here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes over, and it's going to come back down for the other part of that candle's base. Then starting here, I'm going to add some little diagonal lines that are going to come across here so we can make it kind of like a striped shape and striped designs on here. We'll just put one more up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Christmas candle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.